be a great day. A great day. Today it's really good. There's plenty of wind, and you know, we don't get these many, you know, windy days too often. When it's good, everybody's here, all my buddies, and you know, everyone that's good. Hey! This beach is very popular for windsurfing and kiteboarding, so especially a day like today, you can jump really high, I mean 10, 20 feet easily.
Super windy, really gusty. Great time for us kiteboarders. So we love it when the sand's blowing like that.
There's like a landing pattern, so everyone stays within that pattern and you know, knows not to jump when someone's downwind and that kind of stuff. All in all, there's really not a lot of, you know, bad things that happen out here.